How to apply for an FHA home loan. A Federal Housing Administration FHA loan serves as a government-backed home mortgage provided by an approved bank or lender. These loans necessitate a lower minimum down payment compared to many traditional loans and may accommodate applicants with lower than usual credit scores. The FHA loan aims to facilitate the home ownerships for the low to moderate income families, especially appealing to first-time home buyers. Individuals with a credit score of 580 or higher can secure up to 96.5% of the home's value through an FHA loan as of 2022, requiring a mere 3.5% of the down payment. Even if your credit score falls between 500 and 579, you remain eligible for an FHA loan by making a 10% down payment. To apply for an FHA loan, you directly approach an approved bank or lender, and most financial institutions are authorized to offer FHA loans. Seek pre-approval for an FHA loan from your chosen lender. Within a day or so, the lender will collect the necessary financial details to grant or reject the pre-approval, providing an estimate of your borrowing capacity without any obligation. So these procedures apply to all mortgage applications. If you desire an FHA loan, make your preferences clear from the outset. So this was all about how to apply for an FHA home. If you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.